lang pilingan di may agali balaan ya pa.
Oo eh. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Dako niya ano.
Been craving for buko salad kaya this Christmas, ito yung dessert namin.
Perfect.
And we also cooked carbonara. Common na kasi yung spaghetti, kaya naman we decided to cook carbonara instead. But our version of carbonara is different kasi walang bacon and ham. So we decided to put chicken bilog instead. And let's do a taste test, guys. So regardless na kulang-kulang yung ingredients, masarap pa rin siya, guys. Kasi yung alternative namin na chicken bilog, it complements very well sa taste ng carbonara. And of course, hindi makukompleto yung handaan kung walang pansit. This is the favorite of everyone, guys, especially the Filipinos. Pansit talaga yung number 1 sa handaan.
Ito namin. Nawong pa lang. Marang joy na pang chowking ang imo skills ha. Di ba specialty nila mga mon eh? We're going to grill some pork for dinner.
Kamu naman dayon. Tura pa naman. Ayan siya. Naka-white man.
Anjoy, ikaw naman Anjoy. Manjoy, balo na yan. Manjoy ang assignment pa sa ari. Kung di mo picture, karapat niya ka-uniform. Gina. Kasi ang dati, mo naman.
Ay, gaano pa kamo, di ka mo mangaon? Ano?
Perfect niya ang marinated nga barbecue.
Kaya pag kamo niya siya.
And after family dinner, kasi gusto ko talaga before anything else, mag-family dinner kami. And we'll go to church after. We're done sa church, guys. So it's been 3 Christmas na hindi kami complete as family. I am with Bobats. With them. Among. Wait lang, i-adjust kong lights para gwapagay. Perfect.